Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Frugalisama. My name's Sam. This is where I talk about all things sewing. So today I've got another prize reveal for the Sew Frugal 22 challenge. I'm not going to go into details of the challenge. I'm sure you all know about it by now. Apologies for my AWOL yesterday. I work all day on a Saturday and I just didn't have time to film. So first of all, I'd just like to wish everybody in the UK Happy Mother's Day, and if you're celebrating it elsewhere as well, Happy Mother's Day. I'm celebrating Mother's Day by avoiding the crowds. We're going out next weekend. So because I didn't film yesterday, I will just give the vloggers from yesterday a shout out. They are the last two that are on the schedule. We might have another couple that are playing catch up. Hopefully Jojo will eventually get hers up. That's Flat Battery Makes. She's really struggling getting hers edited. I will let people know when that's available to watch. But yesterday's vloggers were Alison, who is So Like Greco Tee Forever Daisy Chain, and she was talking about holiday inspired patterns. She actually came up with a pattern that I'd never seen before, so well worth a watch. And then we had Polly at the Sewing Edit. And again, I think she came up with a couple of patterns that I've not seen before, and she was looking at specifically at skirts. So have a watch of those two, and there's over 90 videos in the playlist now, which is linked below. The one that Rowan and I did is at the top, but they're all in chronological order in that the latest is at the top. So it's easy to find the ones that you might have missed. Right, so on to today's prize reveals. So the first one is from the Sussex seamstress, and she's got a choice of two prizes. One which would be for international prize winners, and the other one if it's a UK based one. The Sussex seamstress, unsurprisingly, is based in Sussex. All her patterns are named after little towns in Sussex. So Jane, I think, used to design patterns for the Royal Opera House, for the Royal Ballet, and then she's gone on to designing patterns for home sewers. So she's got about 26 patterns on there. So the international prize winners will have the choice of two of her patterns. So I'll just run through some of the patterns that you can look at. She's got skirts, she's got tops, lots of dresses on there, trousers, there's even a jacket, t-shirts, pyjama bottoms, there's even a pair of shorts on there. So first of all, I'll look at the Tillington top, and that's a little town in East Sussex, and that's a lovely, lovely top, is that. It's very sort of boho looking with the ties at the neckline. It's quite long actually, it goes below the hips, and there's an optional tie belt for that, and a lovely shearing detail at the cuff. And Cara at So Mad has done a full review of this top. If you want to have more details about it, take a look at Cara's video and I'll link that at the end for you. So the Petworth is very similar to the Tillington dress, but it's got tiers at the bottom. If you want something that's less boho, it's got the Saltdean dress, and that can be a top or a dress. And it's got a kimono sleeve on this one where the yoke comes right across the front, so you've got opportunities for colour blocking on there. So that's a really lovely one, and then you've got pockets and a belt options on there. So I think with that one, fabric choice would make a difference as to what it looks like. And then she's got the Southwick or Southwick skirt. It's got really lovely deep pockets in a panel down the sides, and she's really played about with the button details on that, so that's really nice. So the international winners will get a choice of two PDFs. So the UK winners have got the Arundel skirt kit, and that includes the pattern for the Arundel skirt, which is an A-line skirt with built-in pockets, unusual slash pocket, it's squared off at the bottom. It's made for woven fabrics, so like a denim or a cord, and the kit includes 2 meters of fabric to make the pattern, the zip that's needed, all the thread and the interfacing. And the kit retails at about £39.50, so I think that's a really good price for somebody. So her size ranges goes from UK 8 to 30, which is a 26-inch waist, to a 47-inch waist. 55 inches is your maximum hip. A lot of her patterns have got a YouTube tutorial, so you can actually view the patterns before you buy them and see how they make up and whether it's within your sewing capabilities. And the Arundel has got a YouTube tutorial as well. So let me know below which one you would choose. Some really lovely patterns on her website. So the second prize reveal is a bundle from First for Fabrics. Tamlin, who is Sewn on the Time, has arranged this one for us. She was going to do a video for us but hasn't been able to. So thank you to Tamlin for arranging this prize. This is a bundle of fabric and haberdashery. So this will be a UK only prize, will this one. I don't know any more information about it, unfortunately. It's just going to be a lovely surprise for somebody. That's it for your prize reveals. I just want to give Rachel at Stitched Up a shout out today. She is doing a sew along for the Anastasia blouse, which is a pattern by Le Piver. It's a pattern that I featured in one of my Frugal Friday videos, and she's doing a full sew along for it today for the Sew Frugal challenge. So if anybody is wanting to join in with that, I'm hoping to join in with the chat, but I won't be sewing it, I don't think. I've not got time to sew it, I've not got the fabric to sew it, but I think it's something that I would definitely want to be looking at making sometime in the future. And the beauty of these sew-alongs is that you can actually go back and watch them. You don't have to watch it live. If you're thinking of making it sometime in the future, you can go back and watch that one. So Mandy today is wearing the Bardon dress from Peppermint magazine. I've seen lots of people talk about the Bardon dress. Really simple make, very simple bodice with a dart and then 2 tiers into the gathering, and it's finished off with bias binding. So that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know which is your favourite pattern from the Sussex seamstress. I'll be back tomorrow with another prize reveal. Bye.